I'd go like this.
Well,
And
Matthew does that too. He planted himself.
And I wouldn't move. That's what I did. I would plant myself, I'd get a stiff leg, and I'd kick the wall.
Yeah.
My mom would go, stiff leg, stiff leg. I was born stubborn.
He kicks his leg. He made his legs stiff
Say,
too.
some of the best people in America or in the world are stubborn, Matt.
Good
Say
job.
that. Right, Betty?
Right.
If I had done that, my head would have been this.
Good job.
Well, my parents were new at it, and I was there first, so I broke them in.
Yeah. Good job.
When you're the oldest, you get to break your parents in. They're not quite sure what to do, so they don't know that normal ways. So you establish what their normal ways, which parents
That's it?
figured that out when I was really young, pretty young.
So what do you have to do today, sweetie?
Nothing.
Nothing. So in other words, you can sleep.
Yeah.
Play Chinese music.
Yeah. Good job. Good
Plus,
job.
my dad had backup. I was
Take care of Matt.
I was the little darling from my grandparents.
Yeah.
My grandfather would protect me
Yeah.
because I was his first.